How to turn on video stabilization on Samsung. Want your video recordings to be smoother and without any shaking? Here's a quick guide on how to enable video stabilization on your Samsung device. Let's get started. First, open the camera on your Samsung phone and select the video option. Tap the settings button in the upper left corner. Scroll down until you find the video stabilization option. Samsung Video Stabilization uses smart algorithms to check the motion in your footage and smooth out any shaky parts, making your videos look steadier. It's super handy for filming while on the go, like when you're walking or running, and helps keep things looking sharp and clear. Now, tap the toggle button next to it to turn it on. From now on, capture even better videos with Samsung's Video Stabilization. With stabilization enabled, your videos will look much smoother and nicer. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, follow the channel for more tips and tricks.